Okay, in this video, I'm going to show you guys how to replace the vibrate on an iPhone 6s Plus. First, you got to shut it off. Just anytime you're about to open up a phone, always turn it off. Okay, for this repair, we're going to need 3 tools. First, we need a suction cup. Second, we need a Phillips screwdriver, size 0. Third, we need a Torx screwdriver, size 000. Now, let's start with the Torx screwdriver. We want to go to the bottom and just take those 2 screws out real quick. Okay, once those 2 screws are out, now you take the suction cup and you just put it on the bottom left corner right there, and just stick your finger in there in the ring and just start pulling. Pull it a little bit, you'll notice that the screen will start coming out, and now it's out enough where you can just stick your fingernail in there and slide it across the corner, just alongside there. And as you do that, it'll separate the screen from the phone. On the iPhone 6s Plus, there's going to be an adhesive, and that holds the screen to the phone. And as you are pulling up on the screen, you'll notice that there's going to be some adhesive, and it's going to be just around it. Many times as you pull the screen off of the phone, it's going to start sticking to the screen, and you just got to pull it off the screen and put it back on the phone. Next thing, here's your vibrate. But before you can pull it off, you have to take this plate off. It covers the cable that runs across. So, let's start with this one, this screw right here. Make sure you don't lose track of where these screws go though. Each screw needs to go back into the same exact spot. Just remove the plate. Okay, and right here is the cable that runs along. So you just want to pop it out and then unscrew this screw right here. And there's one more at the bottom. And once you have those last 2, just pull it out. And here's my new vibrate. It's a pretty nice one. Just remove this plastic though. There it is. And it's an Apple version. Or it's the actual Apple vibrate. Yeah, you don't want to go with an off-brand. Sometimes they're not as good as you're hoping. Okay. Once it's in there, just start putting it back together, same way that you took it apart. Put that plate back, well actually right before you put the plate on, connect the cable. Just real gently start moving it around, trying to find that spot where it fits best. And once you feel it, then you just gently push down. Okay, I felt it fall into place. Good. It won't be a click, at least it wasn't for this phone. What I like to do is just start screwing it the wrong direction until it starts bouncing on the threads. Once it does that, then start screwing it and just tighten it up. That way you know you're not cross-threading it. Right here, you want to keep your fingers at the top because it just kind of slides into place right here. And just slide it into place as it's still open, about an inch, and then you can start bringing it down. Start putting it back together just with slight pressure. Just move your way up and just go back down. Just give it some more pressure. Last thing, we need to put these two screws back in. These are the ones that you used the Torx screwdriver for. And just tighten them enough where they barely get snug. And now turn it on. Just make sure it all works.
Hey guys, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe.
Also guys, don't forget to look at our channel. There's lots of videos on there. Plus, scroll down and look at our description. There's links to the video as well as there's products that we sell.